Kinder friends. So today is a great day. It is the Monday before Thanksgiving, the week before our awesome holiday. We get to revolve math all around items and objects that are about Thanksgiving. Isn't that great? We're going to have lots of fun, friends. So today we are going to do something called graphing. Can you say that word with me? Ready? Graphing. And graphing, friends, means that you're going to put certain information about items or objects in order, and you're going to put them in a way that is visually appealing, that we can see the information with our eyes without reading any words. Isn't that cool? Yeah, it's called data. So today we have this amazing page that's going to help us graph our that's going to help us graph Thanksgiving images. That's right. When it comes to Thanksgiving, what kinds of things do you think of? Turkey, pie. What else? The pilgrims, you're absolutely right. Ships, and we can't forget things like vegetables. Those are yummy and very good for us. So here I have this page, friends. And if you notice up at the top, it has some images of, look, we have a ship, a turkey, and a pie. Now we have different amounts of each of these images. So count and color them. So let's color first the turkeys. Are you ready? I want you to grab a brown crayon. A brown crayon, just like this. And we're going to color all the turkeys. Once we're done coloring all the turkeys brown, we're going to count them. Now, remember, friends, when it comes to coloring, it does not have to be perfect. I know I'm not a perfect colorer, but I do my very best. So let's color these turkeys. Ready? So there's one. Look, here's another one. Ooh, one more. Oh, thank you for reminding me. I got to go down too. Look, there's another one. And oh, there's one. And oh, right there. Perfect. Now, I did color mine just a tiny bit quickly, but if you need more time, you can always pause me. If you're ready to go, now we use our magic finger and we count how many turkeys are on this page. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job. So now we're going to put that brown crayon away, and I am going to get a yellow crayon. And I'm going to get a yellow crayon because I know that pies sometimes can be brown, but in order to make a difference, to differentiate, to make sure that we have a different color, we are going to use yellow for the pies. So grab that yellow crayon and let's find all the pies and color them. Ready? There's one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there you go. There it is. Perfect. Remember, if you need more time to color, you could just pause me. Grab that magic finger and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh, we have 5 pies. Now let's go ahead and let's grab our red crayon. And we are going to now look for the images of the pilgrims on the ship. Okay? So grabbing your red crayon, we're going to color each one red. Right there. Right there. Oop, there's one there. And there's one there. So if you need more time to color, you can just pause me. Otherwise, let's grab that magic finger and count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. So, friends, grab that crayon that you used for the turkey. And how many boxes can we fill in right here? Good job. If you don't remember, you can go up to the top and count. We are going to color in how many? 6. So let's color in 6. Ready? 4, 5, and 6. Now you're going to grab that yellow one for the pie. Let's go back up to the top and let's remember how many pies we have. How many? 5. So we are going to color 5 of these boxes right on top of the pie. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Perfect. Now we grab that red one, and we're going to go back to the top to remember how many of these ships we have. How many? You're right, 4. Ready? 3 and 4. Perfect. So I want to now guide you through those questions on the right-hand side. And it says, I can interpret data. That's just a fancy way to say that I know I can tell you the information that's on the graph. This is the graph right here. So friends, how many categories are in this graph? How many different objects did we have to count and color? You're right. 1, 2, 3. We had 3 categories. The first one was turkeys. The second category was pies. And the third one was ships full of pilgrims. And number 2, what kind of graph is this? I remember we talked about this in math class. But if you don't remember, that's okay, because I'm here to tell you. This is called a bar graph. So we will be circling that first one. Now, these next few questions you can do on your own. I'm going to read them to you, but I want you to think really hard and use that kindergarten brain of yours. I know you can do it. Number 3 says, how many turkeys and pies? Oh, so I want you to tell me, friends, how many turkeys and pies were there together? So you're going to take the amount of numbers of turkeys and the amount of numbers of pies, and we're going to put them together. And then you're going to write it right there. Number 4 says, how many ships and pies? So we'll take the number. And number 5 says, how many more turkeys and ships? This is a comparing question. Remember, we've been comparing numbers. Which one is greater and which one is less than? So how many more turkeys and ships? Well, that's easy. On a bar graph, we can actually just count the amount of turkeys and the amount of ships, and we can figure out how many more the turkeys are than the ships. Ready? So we have 6 turkeys, and then we have 4 ships. So look, I have 2 spaces that are blank. Yes, so we have 2 more turkeys than we do the ships. Ships and the number of pies, and we'll put them together. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you are looking for a challenge, I want you to ask me a question about the information on this graph. So if you would like, you can write it below, or you can videotape yourself. Yeah, grab your iPad and take a video of yourself and send it to us right here. Friends, I hope you have a lot of fun creating your own question. I can't wait to see what my mathematicians come up with. Bye.